Have you ever imagined a world where robots can think, learn, and interact just like humans? Well, that world is already here. Welcome back to AI with Win. Today, we're diving into the astonishing world of robotics and artificial intelligence. We'll be highlighting the most groundbreaking advancements made over the past year. From humanoid robots with lifelike capabilities to neural interfaces connecting our minds to machines, the future is unfolding right before our eyes. Last year witnessed extraordinary developments in robotics, particularly with humanoid machines that blur the line between AI and human attributes. Take Engineered Arts Ameca, for instance. This marvel is equipped with 24 motors on its face, enabling precise limb movements and human like interactions. It can draw, solve puzzles, and even mimic human behavior, showcasing advancements in generative adversarial networks, inverse kinematics, and PID controllers. Next up is Neo, OpenAI's latest stride toward artificial general intelligence. Neo can manipulate objects and generate code using state of the art AI systems like GPT-4 and DALL-E. Its versatility is a testament to the integration of AI in creating sophisticated and autonomous systems. Similarly, China's X robots have emerged as a leader in AI robotic systems, performing tasks ranging from art creation to healthcare services, emphasizing China's commitment to making AI a daily life component. China's rapid progress in humanoid AI underscores its ambition to dominate the global robotics industry. By focusing on sectors like manufacturing, education, and healthcare, China aims to harness AI's transformative potential while addressing socioeconomic issues through ethical deployment. The realm of AI driven robotics extends beyond humanoids. Covariant, founded by ex OpenAI researchers, leverages neural networks to enable robots to sort items and pick them in warehouses, learning and adapting independently to enhance efficiency. On another frontier, Neuralink's groundbreaking neural technology allows individuals with disabilities to control computers with their minds, marking a significant leap towards independence and quality of life. As we edge closer to realizing AGI, ethical considerations become paramount. Companies like Sanctuary AI are advancing large behavior models, learning from real world experiences to push the boundaries of AI capabilities. However, developing AGI requires stringent safety protocols and ethical frameworks to ensure alignment with human values and societal well being. Switching gears to Boston Dynamics, their new electric Atlas robot represents a major shift from hydraulic systems to quieter electric motors. Enhanced agility and interactive head displays make it ideal for dynamic industrial tasks, improving human robot interaction and operational efficiency. Sanctuary AI's collaboration with Microsoft on large behavior models via Azure Cloud exemplifies advancements in robot perception and dexterity, as seen in their Phoenix robot. Meanwhile, Unre's G1 humanoid robot combines agility and precision with affordability, setting new standards in manufacturing and beyond. The UAE's Falcon 2 series marks another milestone, emphasizing open source AI development in text based and vision to language models, setting benchmarks for global AI innovation. Lastly, Robot Era's Xend and Xbot L robots showcase advanced tactile sensors and autonomous navigation, illustrating the potential of adaptive AI in diverse environments. As we journey towards AGI, ethical considerations remain crucial. Proactive measures are essential to ensure AI enhances human capabilities responsibly. Thank you for joining us in exploring the latest advancements in robotics and AI. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on technology and innovation.